Please press the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon and never miss an update from Passionate Geeks.
Hey, what's happening guys, PG is here. Today gonna show you how you can change or add a custom switch for your ROMs. So by using this guide you can add a custom switch for your Wi-Fi, your hotspot or your Bluetooth or whatever you switch you want to change or add. This is a very simple and the easiest guide. Few months back I did this guide on my KitKat ROM, but I'm going to do it again for my Lollipop ROMs and as well as the Marshmallow ROMs. I didn't test it on the Android Nugget ROMs yet. So if you are still on the KitKat ROM, I will show you the guide in the few minutes, so you can easily grab that guide so you can add a custom switch to your KitKat ROMs. But if you are on the Lollipop based ROMs or in the official Lollipop, then you need to follow my guide of this video. So the guide is very simple and very easy. You need to decompile your framework and just follow my instructions. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here we are guys, but you need to decompile your framework. Yeah, this is my decompiled framework. So you have to go to the resource folder. So here in the resource you have to open the raw HTML folder where you find a lot of PNGs for your framework. So just open your resource folder and go to the drawable HTML, and here you find all the PNGs related to your framework. So now you have to search for a switch. Just search for a switch and collect all the PNGs having the name switch in it. So after grabbing the switches, go to just turn on your internet and go to my blog or my website. Just search for Passionategeekz, and in the second you have to find, you will get this, and just open it. After you opening it, go to the Android section, guide section, and go to the, you can also like my Facebook page, go to the developing section. Here you will find the guide I already did on a custom switch for KitKat ROMs. Yes, if you are using the KitKat ROMs, then you need to follow this guide, but if you are on the Lollipop, then you have to watch the video. So just grab the guide for KitKat here. Now you have to open this link that I already added here, that is a 9-patch image generator. Just open this. When you open the 9-patch generator, you will get redirect to this site. This is the 9-patch generator site. Now again open your framework, go to drawable and find the XML. After opening this XML, you will get this code. When the Android state enabled false, when the Android state checked true, and the source, Android source, is the background of your switch. State check true means when the switch is enabled, and state check false is when the switch is disabled. So just you have to copy the names and add the PNGs whatever you want, but the PNG should be generated in the 9-patch. 9-patch is a vector image, you can say. So let's find some switches, PNG for our switch. So I'm going to use some PNGs here. Okay, this will be suitable. Okay, now I'm going to save this PNG and open it with the 9-patch generator. To open this image with the 9-patch generator, first you save your image and open the website. When you open it, just drag and drop or open the image. Do the cropping stuff, whatever you want. Just set the image and click on the download icon. When you click on the download, you will get the zip file. In zip you will get the 4 folders for drawable HTML, drawable MDHPI, XXHTML. It depends upon the size or resolution of your device. So collect all the images. So this is my image of 9 patch. Now I'm going to rename it with the name that we already seen in this XML. Just copy the name here, copy the name and replace it with the PNG. Make sure it added .9 in the end. It should be .png.9 or it should be the name .9. Just replace the PNGs. Make sure try to use the PNG with the smaller sizes, because a big switch will make force stop your settings. Okay, next we have to add for off PNG, so I'm going to add a name here off for a hint. So now I need to grab another PNG, so I'm going to use this PNG with my Photoshop. So I'm going to do it for off switch. I'm going to change the color of green to red. For this I'm using the Photoshop. If you are familiar with Photoshop, then you can do it. If you don't, then do some Google and find the PNG for your. So next, again generated with the 9 patch image generator. Now again download it. Okay, these are all the PNGs, so I'm going to again replace it with the name I already seen in the our drawable folder. So I'm going to replace it with. So this is all done. We just added a switch. For if you want to change the background of your switch, then you need to add a PNG in the Android source. For KitKat it is different, so you need to follow that guide that I already showed on my blog or website. For the KitKat, this is for Lollipop. So now go to your settings and open the style.xml. In style.xml, search for the switch styling. So when you find the switch styling, you can change the fonts, you can add the color, you can override colors. You can also change the when the color is checked, when the color is not checked. You can add a custom tint option that you found in the drawable folder, or you can change the size of the switch by changing the dimensions. So this is it guys, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, do like and do share. Thanks for watching guys, see you next week.